June the 5th, 2014. You guys in Colorado, heads up. Tornado warning remains in effect until 8:45 p.m. for western Prowers and northeastern Bent County. Listen, it says mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed, damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. Impacted areas: Hasty, McClay, John Martin Reservoir, and Caddoa. You can pause this. It says take cover now, move to a basement. Now, what's happened is the heat has moved over the United States. Let's go to my YouTube channel a minute. Miss Marcy, you're saying, or is it out of northeast Arkansas? Yes, it is. But look at her comment here earlier. We've had 2 deaths here from the earlier storm. Let's go down and look at these comments. This is coming in, guys. This is important. It says, Tweaks 58. I work in Jonesboro, Arkansas. The doors in the roof blew off. About 80 to 100 mile an hour winds that lasted 30 minutes. Never seen that before. He says, from Cynthia Whitlock. Jesse, I live in Arkansas. At around 1 today, we had winds at 70 miles an hour for 15 minutes straight. Never seen anything like it. A lot of damage and 1 death in my town. This is getting real, folks. What's happened now, the heat of the day, as you can see in this purple area, has moved over to the western United States. Now, east of the mountains, they're firing up from New Mexico up into Colorado. This is where the tornado warnings are coming from. Now, we wanted some rain in Texas. We didn't quite need this. Check this out. Tornado watch in the red. Tornado warning. That's what we're talking about. But it seems to be moving across Texas, too. So you guys in that area, pay very close attention. But Colorado, you're under the gun. Now, quickly, before this is over, I just want to update about the coronal mass ejection. You can read this. It says the CME billowed away from the sun at 1.2 million miles per hour. Although it sounds fast, it's actually slower than the average CME. Guys, that thing is still creeping. 28 hours. It says coronagraph images show the explosion was not square the earth directed. Remember, it's to the bottom left. But on or about June the 7th, we're going to get a glancing blow. I'm going to nail that time down as I get the instruments and the information on the instruments. But with the ACE protons, we're starting to see an increase. You're seeing that spike was from a secondary flare that occurred. But this is what's starting to rise. We haven't seen that in a few weeks. We're going to see tectonic plate increase, activity increase. Also, ACE electrons. You can see where it peaked up, guys, and then came back down slightly. You're going to see that rise up into the 7th. But it's a heads up. Guys in Colorado, get down, hunker down. Heads up, be safe.